Hello friends, welcome to another spreadsheet here by Digital Pixel. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you the maintenance tracker for home use or for maintenance around the workshop or factory. It's really simple, easy to use. I designed it where it's just trying to save you a lot of time and easy to manage everything. There is a built-in Gantt chart, as you can see. It's been revised and updated with a lot of new features. Now with the feature of when you select block, it actually turns red up to the date that's blocked. So that's a really nice visual management that you can have. And then also update holidays. You can see you can enter your holiday on the setup. I'll go over that later, but you can enter the setup and you can see here where everything highlights the date when it's a holiday. And then of course you have your regular day, the day of the month actually highlights the cell. Nice, very nice feature. Also another feature added in the Gantt chart is that when you have accrued duration days or days before it's overdue, actually highlights to let you know if you have 1 day or 2 days, 3 days, 4 days before it's overdue. Of course, all this is correlated to your overdue task. A very nice visual improvement on the Gantt chart. Now let's go over the PM, the maintenance PM and stuff. Here you got the task. Whenever you enter the task, it gets updated with the chart, and you have your area. And with your area, you can you have all type of areas here. You probably can't see that when I open it, the drop-down list. But you can create your own area, your type, your frequency, and then your status, and your sign, start, targetation date, and then I also well, let's jump back here, your duration date, and then you got your progress date. You see, you select your progress date, and let me do the very first cell, and once you select it, you can see the Gantt chart changes, and you change your date, of course everything else changes, but it automatically calculates your days. And then I added the costs this year, so you can track all your PM, even your type of PM in around the task, so that can by category. Actually, the cost is calculated by category, so that helps you see what amount of money cost you're spending on each type of like type and frequency. So now you see on top of the charts also very dynamic. Everything's dynamic, meaning you select wherever or input your setup, your drop-down list. All the charts will automatic update. You don't have to worry about the vertical axis adjusting it. It will do all that for you. So very nice feature I added this year. I know in the past you have to go into the chart and select your which one you want to display on the chart, but again this year it is all automatic. Very nice. So let's go to the Kanban board here. I'm going to jump over the Kanban board. As you can see, very clean, very nice, very simplified. You don't have to do anything on the Kanban, and the chart will actually do all this for you, or you can use the Kanban card. The Kanban card, you can have up to 100 Kanban cards. As you can see, I'm moving it. But very simple, easy to use. Everything you input on the maintenance Gantt chart, it will automatically update all this over here for you. Again, you don't have to drag the Kanban card, or you can just storyboard will automatically update for you. So that's your preference, but that's there for you to use too. Now let's jump over the calendar. Very nice thing about calendar is you have two calendars. This year I updated with another calendar so that you can compare from month to month. Gives you an idea where you're at and everything. Your projects, your PM and your task. So let's go back here to September. You can see when I hit September, you got your block complete. So very nice so that you can compare both months. And that's some I figured I'd update it. Now let's jump over to the milestone chart. Milestone charts, some people like to have that. So if you're working at a company, you want to have milestone. This is is to create your milestone chart. Here it's real simple. Again, trying to make it as simple as possible. Every time you enter data into the maintenance Gantt chart, you hit yes. At the very end, there's a milestone tab where you hit yes. That gets carried over to the milestone tab here. As you can see, of course, you have to put the date. You put your end date in. Let's say 10/15, and then we'll go to the milestone here. In 10/15, you see how it's automatic creates that for you. But here's an instruction how to do create a milestone. It's really simple, really simple. Again, you select on blanket. You see how it just kind of sorts everything for you. And again, really simple to use. I'm gonna put everything back here. But yeah, I try to make it as simple as possible. Now let's jump over to the setup. Setup is where you just create your drop-down list, your holidays, your company events. You can see here your area, and you have up to wherever it's not gray. So here you have 25. You can enter 25 in area, and you can enter up to 11. On type, frequency, and assign, you can go up to 50. And you got your status, priority, time, and your holidays. Gray here is already programmed in for you. If you want to change it, you can. Some people might buy the spreadsheet off from internationally, so that might change. But I left it here. It has a formula in there where you don't have to update every year. It will automatically update the date for you. Now down here, it's you can add more holidays if you want. So there's anything special that I missed or whatever, you can add it in there, and it automatically will carry it over to the Gantt, the maintenance Gantt chart. Now for the company events, you can also create that if you want. Here I just put samples. And you have up to 10 you can create company events. Sometimes people like to have that notify on your Gantt chart. So and then going over to the how to use. You're gonna have this is all here. It's trying to make it as easy and instruction as possible for you guys to use, but really simple to use, really easy. And again, this is more for home use. If you want to track your maintenance, nice to have. You can track up to 200 tasks. So it goes all the way up to 200 tasks, and you have 100 Kanban, and this Gantt chart can display up to 16 weeks, and of course it's pretty large, but you can scroll if you want. You can scroll your date, or you can enter your week, so you got pretty much unlimited view on real estate on the Gantt chart. And let me see what else did I miss or anything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You can see all the charts here up top. You got all your type, you type your frequency. If you change that, your area, and then your duration versus overdue. That tells you you can compare like how far you are or how overdue you are. As you can see in this one, I'm 39% overdue. And like priority status, you can see which one's hot, which one's more. If you have too many high, you might have to concentrate on getting rid of those high, right? Progress towards duration day. So how your progress is, you're making progress. That's from the progress tab, column, and then your duration day. So very nice little visual tools to have. And then you got your cure days, and that you can change here with tasks. I know I'm going over pretty quickly, but you can see here tasks, and you got nice to know about how many days your tasks, and then you can change it back here. Tasks overdue, counting by 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Give the spreadsheet a little bit. As you can see here, I got 4 tasks before. That's 4 days to overdue. So it's nice to have that too. And then in your type a dollar amount here. You cleaning, again, you can track all that. Very, very nice. Overview completion. And you key overview completion, task completed, task not complete. And then you assign to by status. You can see here again, all this chart is dynamic. Dynamic meaning you don't have to do anything with the chart. It's automatic updated. So again, guys, there is a link to the spreadsheet below if you're interested. And Do leave a comment if you see anything you want me to like to update or add in the future. Again, thanks for watching, and until next time, guys.